I learned more from being in Sam Oven's 36,000 Mastermind than any book, course, or YouTube video that I've ever consumed. And what I'm about to share with you in this video is the exact playbook that changed everything for me. And I'm telling you, this is not because I'm flexing, not because I'm trying to be some type of guru, but because anybody who's been in this space for longer than like 10 minutes knows who Sam Ovens is, the godfather of high ticket. And being in those rooms, being around people of the likes of Cole Gordon, William Brown, Andrew Kirby, and I think Alex Becker and Iman was a part of that group at one point. It forced me to grow up as a business owner. It forced me to kind of like think clearly. It forced me to stop operating emotionally and start operating structurally. But here's the part that most people don't understand. Getting into those rooms, right, it wasn't easy for me because when you're financially tight, when you're barely making ends meet, investing into a mastermind isn't even like an option. You're not thinking about like personal development, you're thinking about survival. And back then, I wasn't some 7-figure entrepreneur with a ton of connections. I wasn't the king of leads. I wasn't the guy on podcasts breaking down systems. I was busting tables at Rainforest Cafe. I was grinding in the life insurance industry, trying to make something work. I was trying to keep the lights on. I had weeks where I was staring at my bank account with a negative $90 in it. Negative momentum, negative emotions, negative options. And when you're in that place, masterminds sound impossible. Trips sound impossible. Growth sounds impossible. You're not thinking about scale at all. You're thinking about survival. But eventually I got tired of starting over, tired of feeling stuck, tired of relying on hope. So I bet on myself. I scraped together the money and I got in the room. And those rooms, my friend, it changed me and it changed me forever. Not because of hype, but because of exposure. Exposure to clarity, exposure to real decision making, exposure to people operating at a higher standard of living than I ever had thought of, right? You start to understand what people mean when they say you're the sum of the 5 people closest to you, right? Like being in those environments, it gives you perspective. It shows you what's possible. Even if you can't believe it, you start to borrow other people's belief. It showed you what's been holding you back. It shows you why your old identity wasn't built for the goals that you keep trying to chase. And once I understood this, once I started acting from a place of clarity instead of chaos, that's when everything changed. So if you're listening to this right now and you feel stuck, if you feel behind, or if you feel like no matter how hard you work, nothing's working, nothing's moving, I want you to understand this. There's nothing wrong with you, man. You're just missing one thing, clarity. That's exactly why I want you to hear the rest of this video, because I'm going to break down the exact process that gives you 5 figures a month predictably. So let's get into the video. Now, everybody and their mama has knowledge and experience. And you might underestimate yours because you've lived it. But believe me, everybody needs what you already know. There's only 2 ways to turn that into money online. Option 1 is a service that's done for you, where you do the work for somebody. This is like an agency or like a social media marketing agency or creative work or like automation, probably lead gen, back-end systems, some type of delivery. And a service just means that you solve the problem hands-on with your skills or your systems. Or there's option 2, which is done with you of information. And this is where you do the consulting and people do it themselves. It's like consulting, coaching, mentorship, strategic guidance, information that like solves the problem with your brain, but they do it themselves. And that's it. You don't really need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to decide which category you fit into first. You're not married to it, but you need to pick one. Now, here's the part that nobody tells you. Out of 100 people that will follow you, 95% of those people will convince themselves that they can kind of figure it out on their own. And 95% of those people, they'll try. 95% of those people will get stuck. 90% of those people will fail. And 5% of the 100 will raise their hand and say, I need help. And those are your 5 clients. And if you charge $2K to 5 people, there's your $10K. That's 5 figures. That's your first milestone. And if you think that's a lot, the truth is, man, it's not. It's an entry level. It's kind of like the floor, not the ceiling. And I just want to tell you that that's just the beginning, right? But here's where the game is interesting. Instead of chasing more attention, you learn how to convert attention that you already have. And if you can show proof and you can get results and you can showcase transformations, your conversions go through the roof. Your trust goes up, your demand goes up, your price goes up, your authority goes up. And then instead of closing like 5 people, you close 8, 10. Now you're at like 16K, 10K, 20K, 30K. And that, my friend, is how the machine grows. Now, there's two ways to make sales online with no exceptions, right? Every sale online happens through one of two avenues. You sell through proof, your results, where you do the talking and you show the proof. And proof beats personality. Proof beats hype. Proof beats editing. Proof beats flashy videos. Proof beats everything. Social proof is everything because we're in a trust recession. Or you sell through meaning, where you solve somebody's problem for free. One small, specific problem, and then people will trust you because if they think you can solve them with this one, then they probably believe you can solve them with a lot more things. And when they hit the next problem, they'll pay you to solve that one. And this is called the value chain. You take somebody from A to B for free, and then B to C for paid, and then C to D to go deeper with you for a higher amount. You see, people don't buy from the person that gives tips. People buy from the person who gets them unstuck over and over and over again. And that's how I scaled my agency to $100,000 a month. And that's how I hit 7 figures. It wasn't by hype. It was just by delivering solutions and stacking trust. Now, here's the thing. Don't fall into this trap that most people fall in. Most people ruin their entire business right here once they get going. They try to pick a niche based off like love. And the fastest way to fail in the beginning is chasing your passion. Don't chase your passion. Chase your competence. What are you already good at? What have you already done? What do you already have experience in? What do you have the most knowledge in? What have you solved in your own actual personal life? And you want to know why? It's because the results will come faster and faster to you when you do it this way. And early on, results matter more than anything. And once you got social proof, then you get authority, then you learn how to get attention, and then you bolt on systems. That'll give you a reputation. And then only then you can pivot into what you love. Authority first, and then freedom second. People buy the person first, the offer second. So I always want you to remember that. Now, when it comes to getting attention, you only really got two choices. Every business online gets attention through one or two channels, right? Through a personal brand where you're documenting your journey, where you're teaching, where you're sharing your story, where you're creating content, where you're building relationships, and ultimately you're building trust. And this creates the most long-term leverage. Or the second one is paid ads, right? Like if you don't want to show your face or if you don't want to be a character, you can just pay to put your message in front of hundreds, even thousands of people. Now, they both work, they both scale, and they both build authority. But I prefer personally to build a personal brand because the leverage compounds. But honestly, the truth is I've helped people scale to 20, 30, even 40K a month without ever showing their face, not even once. And the model just kind of adapts to you, which is super cool. So here's why this model works so long term. If you're level 6, you can help everybody that's a 0 to 5. And this is life-changing to somebody else. And because the internet gives you leverage, you can reach 20 to 100 times faster using leverage online than you can in real life. And we've taken people from 0 to 30K per month in 45 days like Lawson. 0 to 20K in 30 days like Rohit. So if you're stuck at 10K and you're looking to scale to 60K, this is probably something that you can do. Not because these people were special, not because they were lucky, not because they were gifted, because they packaged what they already know into something somebody else could buy. And that's it. 60% of the time, it works every time. If you guys young, you probably won't get that. Now, here's the cloud that blocks most people from getting to 10K. Because getting to 10K isn't hard. The hard part is having clarity. Most people are walking through the fog, right? Like they don't see the path. They don't trust their decisions. They don't have a routine. They don't have a process. They don't have a system. And this is that cloud of fog that most people have. Because most people are asking, why am I not at 10K? Or why am I stuck at 10K? What am I doing wrong? What am I missing? How do other people scale and I don't? Because it's not effort. It's not motivation. It's not talent. It's clarity. And clarity produces confidence. And confidence produces action. And action, my friend, produces income. So if you remove the cloud, you can hit your goal. And that's the game. You remove the cloud by building your business around what you already know, not what you like. Knowledge to offer, to proof, to audience, to scale. That's the entire model. And pain teaches fast, but mentorship collapses years into months. You can spend 7 years trying to figure this out or 3 months getting some guidance, but both paths work. One is just way slower and costs more. So here's the thing. If you're watching this all the way to this point, you need clarity. You need better decisions. You need systems. You need a new identity. A business is nothing more than just a system. And a system is something that's just a process. And a process is just something that's just a set of decisions. And decisions, my friend, come from clarity. Improve your clarity, improve your decisions. Improve your decisions, you improve your income. So if you want help with your offer, with your systems, right, building trust online with something that I call the trust funnel, your content engine, or your acquisition strategy, DM me on Instagram if you're serious about scaling and watch the rest of my videos. There's way more free value on there than most people's paid programs. I'll see you in the next video. Let's get to work.